Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I will show you step by step how you can easily use LODGIFY. LODGIFY is amazing software, and I believe after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to click here, get started. Now if you're gonna have any questions guys, ask me down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to help you about LODGIFY. So I manage 1 to 5 properties. Okay, get started. And then I'm going to click free trial. Here I'm going to register with your email, first name, email, password, like this, continue. And now what features are most important to you? Booking engine, channel manager, let's say property management system, channel manager, bookable website, continue. And then what you have to do is like simply add your number and number of rentals and finish. Now, when you're going to be here, check your email. We are going to verify the email address. Back to list. And then activate your account and get started. So I'm going to activate the account. And here we are. So hi there, let's add your first rental. So you have autofill your rentals details in a few clicks. You can transfer them from Airbnb or create a new rental. It's easy, we'll walk you through each step. So let's create the new rental by ourselves. So name of your rental, let's say it's going to be Wonderful Loft. Click next. Then select a country. Let's say this is going to be a Slovakia. Full street address, it's going to be like this. Like this, next. So let's go, yeah, we'll go different now. I will choose a random US address for it because this doesn't work, I guess. So let's go like this. And now it doesn't work with the address, and it's fascinating. So I'm going different now, Slovakia. And now it works. Okay, all right, now it's good. So upload photos. You can like upload a photo. Let's say I'm going to upload this one, or I'm just going to find a random loft picture. Say this one here. I'll just download it as a showcase for tutorial. So let's say I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to find the tutorial. No, like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm going to upload it. Now click next. How many guests can stay in your rental? Let's go 4. And then you're gonna have what is the price per night, and I'm going to add 200. Now, how would you describe your place? This is really important, guys, because plenty of people are actually reading all the information about your location when you want to have it and what it's going to be about. So I won't gonna write it's amazing place to live. I recommend it to anyone. Click next. And this is just like the description, my recommendation, what you can do with it. And then instant booking. How you want to accept bookings for this rental or booking request. You can only accept bookings after review and approval. My recommendation, get the premium account of Lodgify and go that way without like this, much better comparing to instant booking. Now I'm going to dashboard, but you can also preview the website. And here you would find everything, right? So you can preview the version, and I can have like the overview and everything here. Look at this wonderful loft, and this is what we have here. Now you can go simply to templates and choose and change the template of your Lodgify account. Then you would have also the design here as a business name, logo, then colors, fonts, background. Then also you would find rentals here. So you can always add a new rental in your Lodgify account. And it's the same process as we did before. So if you can have like multiple rentals, you would find it all here. Then pages. You can simply add new widgets. You can disable and delete these that we have here. So we can even write a page widget as a like some kind of a block with the text. Then settings here, as a domain, you can link existing domain if you have one, or you can register a new one. So that's again completely up to you how you do it and how you play around it. So when you have it, these are the dashboards. Then also you're gonna have like reservations here, and these are all that you're gonna register. Calendar. In calendar you would find the bookings, or you can create a booking with a quote, without quote. So let's say someone called you and you want to like book it for them, and you can easily add it here. So start date, end date, source, guest. When you have it, you would click next, and then you would go to the price and policy. So let's say from like this, name, Marcus client, then I would go next, and voila, here you got a price. And then you get also the policy here. And these are the payment policies and everything. And then what you would do, you would just click save here. And here is the message. If you got their email, you would just send them here, and then you would like send it only. Voila. And this is how you do it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So the next thing what you're gonna have here is when you're gonna have the calendar, you're gonna see the inbox. That's the message that we already sent to them. And then you're gonna see the PM modules. So you need to have like premium account for that. Rentals. Rentals are, again, as I mentioned, all the rentals that you can add here, and the process is same. Website builder, that's where we were. You can simply create and manage your website here, as like adding and disabling the pages. This is the main navigation, the footer navigation. If you want me, guys, I can create a deeper and better like a tutorial about Lodgify, so you can like get it much better. And then when you have the pages here, I can go to the channel manager, and you have option to like connect it with Airbnb, booking.com. If you have there also, you can find it there. And then you're gonna see also the reviews of the people. You can add your own reviews from, let's say, if someone just wrote it on your email, you can add it right here. So that's another thing that you can do. And now you're gonna see also the applications here that you can connect with. and then you're gonna have also the reports. So this is pretty much it, how you can use the Lodgify. This was like introduction tutorial to Lodgify, what you can find here, what you can do here, what you can achieve here. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day, an amazing day. And yeah, have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.